up, everyone? All Pro Exterior Services here again with a little video. We got a 15-gallon container here. We're going to do a flow test today. So we got a 15-gallon jug. What we're going to test is, number one, we're going to have the box, turn the box on, close the valve, so we're not getting flow through the downstream, and this is going to be in the downstream position. That's number one. Number two test is going to be turn this remote valve on to see, because you do get a little bit more flow. And then the third test is to completely bypass the injector with the bypass and see what the flow difference is. So let's go ahead and shut this. Box is on. We got the remote over here. Let me make sure it is off. So we're going to go here, remote off. It is off, I hear it. So we're set. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up right here. Guess you can get a good angle like that. Hope the sun's not too bad for you guys. And I'm going to get my stopwatch on my phone. And we're going to do 60-second increments. So let me get the beat cranked up. Alright guys, it's going to be test number one with the remote downstream box closed and the bypass off. So, M5 twist, because this is mainly what I use. I'm going to set this in here, and I'm going to hit start for 60 seconds. So let's go. 30 seconds. Seconds. 60 seconds, working up. 59:45. So, just turn it down. So, with the remote downstream closed, like I'm shooting soap, and if I pass off, I'm coming in at 8 gallons a minute. Or right underneath 8 gallons a minute. Right here. So we call that 8 gallons a minute. So let me empty this, and I'm going to open the soap valve on a remote box. Leave the bypass off. So let me get back with you in a second. Alright everyone, this is the test with, again, downstream box is open like I'm shooting soap. The bypass is off. So this is going to be this test. So again, we're going to do a 60-second test. So let me crank up the machine and get started. Thirty seconds. 45 seconds. 60 seconds. Alright, I don't know if you can tell, but this is with, again, downstream box on, like I'm shooting soap, and the bypass off. So we were here, and now we're here. So we probably 8.1, 8.2 gallons. So actually, not a big difference in flow with the bypass off and turning on and off the soap box, or the remote box. So the last test of what we're going to do is going to be bypass everything. So we're not even going to use the injector to see what the difference is. Stand by, empty the bucket, set up the last test. Empty the container. This is going to be with the bypass on, so it's bypassing the injector on my setup, or off, however you want to say it, but we're not using the injector. So let me idle the machine up, and I'm going to run the test for 1 minute and see what the flow is. Stand by. Seconds. Seconds. All right, everyone, that was with the bypass on, and again, we're about right here. So 9.5 gallons per minute. So the results of the test are running through the downstream injector with the bypass off, not shooting soap. I'm right under 8, so 7.8. Turn the injector box on to shoot soap, I go up to about 8, 8.1. Very small difference. The big difference is when I go from 7.8 or 8.1 to 9.5. So it's about 1.3 to 1.4 gallon difference going through your bypass on flow versus your injector. So again, just a test. I wanted to demonstrate this. I had a couple of requests about this, and I wanted to figure it out myself. Glad I did. So it makes a big difference when you're surface cleaning using the bypass to get that extra flow. Very big difference. And again, to the Flow Pro, I know there's a Flow Pro out there, a couple guys run, including my boy Deary. It makes a big difference for him, I can tell. It's about a gallon, in my case, 1.3, 1.4 gallon per minute difference. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Hope it's educational. Again, sub, like, hit that notification bell for all, and call or comment. All right, peace.